Hi, this is Elizabeth with Agape Transitions, clinical counselor. How many times have you heard things such as name it and claim it? You are what you say. Speak things into existence. Manifest, visualize. Well, it's true. No matter what you believe or your walk in life, it's the truth. Look around you. See if it's happened with other people. Not only that, it's actually biblical fact. In Proverbs 23, verse 7, it even says there, "So a man thinks in his heart, and so he is." So when you look around you and you look at your life, look at what you want, what you're looking for, what you need, or even what your position is, it's something that you've manifested in your life because you spoke it. It was in your heart. That's what you felt. That's what you spoke. So if you find yourself that you're thinking or you're feeling, I'm not in a good place in life, good things don't happen to me, people don't like me, I don't have friends, well, guess what? It's the truth, because that's what you're speaking into your life. So if you want to change what's in your life, change how you're thinking up here, change how you're feeling up here, and change what you're speaking out here, because there's so much power in the tongue, so much power in the words. What you speak is released out. And that's what happens. Words to think about. I wish you well.